Are you a real estate investor or asset manager looking to maximize your returns? Discover the secrets to successful multifamily asset management at our exclusive virtual event. The Asset Management Virtual Summit 2024 is your chance to learn directly from 20+ top asset managers who've been where you are and made it to the top. Whether you're new to multifamily investing or already managing a growing portfolio, this summit will give you the strategies, systems, and insights you need to elevate your game. But you don't have to figure it out alone. Join a community of like-minded investors, all eager to share what's working right now. With experts like Sandra Benenate, Ed Modzel, Tyler Chesser, Travis Watts, Tara Smiley, Lesli Awasom, Trevor Thompson, Sandhya Seshadri, Sridhar Sannidhi, Shane Thomas, and host Rama Krishna Chunchu, plus many more. You'll get insider knowledge on how to leverage data, make informed decisions, and streamline your processes. In today's unpredictable economic climate, it's not just about survival, it's about thriving by making smarter choices. This summit will show you exactly how to get the right data and use it to boost your multifamily portfolio. Mark your calendar for October 10th, 2024. Seats are limited, so secure your spot today and start transforming your investments. Don't miss out.